So this is week 68 quiz, and problem 6 says on Monday a worker began painting a fence at 8 o'clock a.m. At 10 o'clock a.m., two more workers showed up and helped the first worker paint. The three workers finished the job at 11:30 a.m. On Tuesday, the first worker began painting an identical fence at 8 o'clock a.m. The other two workers showed up earlier this time, and the job was finished at 10:54 a.m. All three workers paint at the same constant rate. How many minutes did the first worker paint alone on Tuesday? So let's say, let's set the rate as R. And so we know that this one worker, he completed 2R like of the fence. And two more workers that increases that thing by 3. So 3 times, because 3 times as in like 3 workers, 3 times 3 over 2 are, because they finished up at 11:30, and it was 1 hour and 30 minutes that the 3 workers took after they showed up. And so this equals to 13 over 2R. And so that means that it would take one worker 13 over 2 hours to finish. And so on Tuesday, he began painting the same way at 8 o'clock. And we'll say that this is X hours. And the other two painters arrived at 10:50. They showed up and then they finished at 10:54. So this is just 3 times. I should probably not write an X because we already have an X variable in here. So we have 3 times 2 hours and 54 minutes. That's just 29 over 10 minus X R, and that equals to 13 over 2R. So all we need to do now is just find X. So we divide by R on both sides and we expand here, so we get 80. So we expand and we get X plus 87 over 10 minus 3X equals to 13 over 2. Minus 2X equals to 87 over 10 minus plus 13 over 2. This equals to 11 over 5. And so we realize that X equals to 11 over 10. And so that means that, this is in hours and it's asking for minutes. So 11 over 10 times 60 will just equal 66, and that's our answer.